everybody, welcome to Storytime at Central Library Hub. I'm Anna and today I am going to read 10 Little Dinosaurs by Mike Brownlow and Simon Rickerty with thanks to Orchard Books. Now, some of you may know the 10 Little Dinosaurs. And if you know this book, you may be expecting that there are going to be a few mishaps for the dinosaurs along the way. Let's see what happens, shall we? 10 little dinosaurs hatching from their eggs, blinking in the sunshine, stretching out their legs. What's that? Look, our mummy's sleeping. Let's go and explore. 10 little dinosaurs all say, "Roar!" 10 little dinosaurs walking in a line. Stomp goes the diplodocus. Now there are 9. 9 little dinosaurs think the world smells great. Goes a hungry plant. Now there are 8. 8 little dinosaurs peek inside a cavern. Grrr! Snarls a hungry T-Rex. Now there are 7. 7 little dinosaurs in a tricky fix. Wah, 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 shrieks a pterosaur. Now there are 6. 6 little dinosaurs need to duck and dive. Sploosh goes the bubbling springs. Now there are 5. 5 little dinosaurs hear an angry roar. Charge goes the triceratops. Boom, 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 boom. Now there are 4 little dinosaurs wobbling on a tree. Snap goes the plesiosaur. Now there are 3. 3 little dinosaurs trying to dodge the poo. Swish goes the steggy's tail. Now there are 2 little dinosaurs, all the others gone. Boom goes the mountain top. Now there's only 1. Oh, 1 little dinosaur. Has he met his doom? What's that scary creature stomping through the gloom? Who is it? Who is it? It's not a raptor, not a T-Rex, not a monster. Phew! It's Mum, who's come to find him and all the others too. Safe at home with Mummy? Who could ask for more? 10 little dinosaurs all say, "Roar!" Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.